Hi guys, it's Kristin with apokreations again. And I am back with another Froggy Friday video. So Froggy Friday is a weekly collab hosted by Karen at the Dragon's Cave, Tim with the Bass Resonator, Lula at Nerd Goblin Art, Lisa at Girl in the Garage, and Gert at Gert Creates. So, and the link to the playlist will be in my description below. So I decided to do something a little bit, weird this week. So I am doing a glow fluorescent frog. So I will be using the fluorescent deep pink from Laura's Art Corner. I'll put a link to her website in the description below. And I am also using the orange glow and the sunshine yellow glow, also from Laura's Art Corner. And this is so absolutely adorable. I have to show you how amazing this orange glows. So I'm going to turn off all of my stuff and turn out the lights real quick so I can show you. Isn't that amazing? Look how much it glows. Okay. I just had to share that. Okay, let me plug everything back in, turn everything back on. Okay, so I have already put the eyes in. And I have already added my gems for the toes. And what I'm going to do is put the orange in the back feet and the yellow in the front feet. I have mixed it with some of the Bondcraftor UV resin. And I've got my Let's Resin double-sided lamp over here on the side. And I'm just going to do like a real thin coat so I can get it stuck. And then I will just add more as I go. And do it in layers. Okay, so I didn't figure that you needed to watch me put this orange and yellow glow powder in there. I mixed up 200 mils of the JDiction casting and coating resin, and I'll put the link in the description below. And into it, I put this absolutely gorgeous fluorescent deep pink. This is my new favorite color. I ran the resin through my Let's Resin debubbler, and now I am just going to slowly pour it in. Whoop! Okay, made a mess there. Alrighty, let me make sure so I just want to make sure that it is meshing with the UV resin, so there's not like a gap. Okay, yes. And I still have all this pink. What do I have? What do I have? What do I have? So I have this cute, like pot mold. So maybe I will do put it in the lid. All right, so I still have a little bit. All right, hang on. This one always gives me nothing but headaches. Whoops. With the bubbles. All right. All right. And can we say neon fish? Okay, so I am going to fill up this fish and I will be back with you when it's time to demold. Catch you in a bit. Okay, ready for demold. So I'm going to do the extras first. I am absolutely loving this pink. Got a little bit of overpour on this. And I think for this one, I'm gonna make it into a magnet. All right, I'm gonna wait on this because I haven't poured the pot. On to the froggy frog. Yeah. Yeah, so my frog needs a mani-pedi. Oh yeah, big time. right. Well, anywho, let me quit. Ta-da! I got some UV stuff in there. So pretty, and look at those eyes. Whoop. Okay, let me quit. But she's got pretty gemstone toesies, and they glow in the dark. But she definitely needs a mani-pedi. All right, so I am going to charge this up so you can see her beautiful glowing feet. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so you see how beautifully this glows now. So I am going to take some photos and get some glamour shots. So if you could do me a favor and subscribe if you're not already. Hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. As I said before, all of the links to Laura's products will be in the description below, as well as the playlist for Froggy Friday. So y'all have a blessed day, and I will see you for the next one. All right, take care. Bye-bye.